We'll be in Neverland. Yeah, she shines all the time, like a star on the mic. Don't think that anybody in this town.
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
How are you feeling?
Hi! Nervous! Yung ano, yung... Hindi ko matandaan.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
I'm feeling good.
Kailangan babayad.
Nilalamigin mo na hindi. Para lang hindi sayang sa pera.
Hindi na lang. Hi guys! So today we're in Robinson's Feria and we're trying out this ride, the Vikings. Okay, Gabby and JM, they are shaking, and Jusan is shaking, bro. So okay, we are going to find out if we are going to float or no. Oh my god, I have butterflies in my stomach. Oh my god. Nararamdaman ko na yung McFlurry! Hi, JM! Hi, oh my god, this is so scary, guys! Like, okay, mukhang hindi scary sa camera! Ayoko na mabuhay! Hindi na loob din sa lupa para sa langit.
Babalik na! Yay!
Ang tagal! Ang tagal!
Babalik na!
Tama na!
Yay! Babalik! Yay! Ang galing! I love it!
Wala, tama na! Okay guys, I rate that overall 8 out of 10. It was very good. But as you can see, on the roller coaster, it is very fast. We are going to try that out later. Oh, close it.
Nasok na si JM oh. Yan, try pa kayo ah. JM, ang laki mong tao! Alam mo sabi ni JM? Ako nga din ako makasigaw eh!
Ako sa phone ko ba mahulog? Okay, stay strong, stay strong! Walang bibitaw!
Oh my god, tingnan niyo yung cloud!
Pre, umuulan na sa Valenzuela! Kita ko! Yung Ferris wheel yun, pre. Oh shit! Oh. Okay guys, no reaction. Light work, no reaction. Galing pre. Yung sa gitna, hindi ko alam kung no reaction yun. Angas natin. Like, hindi tayo
Ikaw
natakot.
tumayo. Ako na.